everyone, this is Lucy, and in this video I will show you how to fix failed to connect in League of Legends. So first what you want to do is go to your browser and go to status.riotgames.com. Here it will show if the server is down or not. It will show the status of the server. So if it doesn't have any problem, and then it's in your end, so just go to your internet and network settings. Here you need to go to advanced network settings. After that you need to locate your main internet. You need to disable it and enable it again. So after that, what you need to do is go to device manager, search for device manager and open it. In this window you need to go to network adapters, and here right click on your main internet and update it. Make sure it's updated completely. After this, if the problem still occurs, then right click in your League of Legends. Here go to its properties, right click, and in this menu click on properties. Here go to compatibility and make sure that you have both of these enabled. Disable full screen optimization and run this program as an administrator. Click on apply and then OK. Hopefully all of these fixes will help you get out of the error, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.